I want to talk about my bug repellent that I use on my plants. Right here are my peas, right here. Okay, and then down here I got my kale. What I use for bug repellents on my plants is I use neem oil, and then I also use tea tree oil. I mix it with water and just a little bit of spray, touch on it, and the bugs hate it. And so does the rabbits. So it's a nasty, nasty taste. And I'll show you my cabbage. Okay, right here's my cabbage. And as you see, just almost bug free. And again, about using mostly the tea tree oil.